Moving on to foam rolling the hamstrings, which is the back of your thigh. Now this is a little tricky because many of you will not feel enough from using the foam roller, and in that case the advanced version will require you to use a chair and some kind of a massage ball or tennis ball. Starting with a bigger size ball is probably better than the small because that one is pretty sensitive. Anyhow, let's start with the easiest version. Let's place the roller directly under the thighs. Remember, do not go under the knee. Just roll up and down from the butt to the knee without going on it. If that feels easy, you place one foot on top of the other and continue going. If you have some trigger spots or areas, you can hold there a little bit longer, 30 plus seconds. Don't forget, we still have to do both sides. If this feels way too easy and doesn't produce any sensation, then we're going to move forward into the chair and massage ball version. A more advanced way to provide myofascial release to your hamstrings, and specifically bicep femoris muscle, which is located on the lateral side of the back of your thigh, right here, is to use a chair and massage ball. I recommend you to start with a bigger size ball, and then as you progress, as you become more experienced, move on to the smaller ball or a ball that is a little bit harder in its texture. So we're placing the ball directly under the thigh and start rolling up and down. Go very careful. Explore until you find the body of the muscle. That usually is a very sensitive area for many of us. Therefore, please go careful. There should be no sharp pain. It should be tolerable and rather pleasant than not. And if you have identified a trigger point, stay in that area for maybe at least 30 seconds or even more until it gets released. And don't forget, you work the same way on the other leg.